Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about time complexity. I hope this video is useful for NTA NET examination and GATE examination. So, I have prepared only for 5 minutes. So, that is last minute preparation. This video should be supported those who are all want to recollect something. Okay, for them, I have prepared this video. So in time complexity, we are using the asymptotic notation to represent the time complexity. So what is time complexity? How much amount of time is required to execute or to run the program? That is known as time complexity. So that can be categorized into 3 types: best case, average case, and worst case. Whenever our algorithm takes only minimum amount of time, that is called as best case. It takes average time, that is called as average case. And if n value is grows, it takes maximum time, that should be known as worst case. So these cases can be represented in 3 notations, that is called as big O, omega, and also big theta. Let's see one by one. Big O notation, it's specified the upper bound. For example, our algorithm execute or it's produce the output within 5 seconds. Our big O notation gives 10 seconds. The latency value is 10 seconds. So that's why big O notation is used to represent the worst case. Big omega notation, it is used to represent the lower bound, okay, and also best case. Okay. For example, our algorithm executed within 5 minutes. Okay. It's maybe give 5 or 4. Okay, 5 or 4. Okay, that's why we can say lower bound time. It represents the lower bound time. And big theta, okay, it is called as tight bound. Okay. It represents both lower bound and also upper bound. That's why big theta notation is used to represent the average case. So big omega notation, where probably we doesn't use the big omega notation because going to execute within the best case. We can't expect that. That's why it should not be used in the time complexity. Okay. Let's see the notations used in the asymptotic notation. Okay. Big O of 1, it is known as constant. Okay. This is excellent. Okay. If n is grow, there is we are least bother about the execution time. N log n, okay, where there is logarithmic, okay, time complexity is logarithmic, that is good. Big O of n is called as linear and also it should be fair, we can accept it. Then n log n, okay, that is the time execution is n log n. Okay. It is somewhat bad, but we can't do anything, so we are going to accept it. Okay. The remaining are horrible, but sometimes for real-time example, there is a need, real-time problem, there is a need to use that type of algorithm also. Okay. Big O of n square is called as quadratic. Big O of n cube is called as cubic. N power is called as polynomial. 2 power n is called as exponential. Okay. 2 power n is if n values grow, that is it's exceed, we can't predict the time in exponential. Okay, that's a major problem. Okay, so this is the time taken. Here I have arranged the time taken for each and every notation. Okay, so big O of 1 is take small amount of time. When big O of log n is somewhat greater than big O of n. Okay, so the maximum time required is exponential 2 power n. So I think so I saw one question in NTA exam. Okay, arrange the notations. Okay, arrange the notations. So here I have summarized the sorting algorithms time complexity. Our selection sort, bubble sort, insertion sort takes a big O of n square time in average case and worst case. They take selection sort, bubble sort, and insertion sort take big O of n square times in average case. Okay. So here I have used different notations, but probably we can use a big O notation for all the cases. Then heap sort, quick sort, merge sort, they took n log n time in best cases and average cases. Best cases and average cases. Heap sort, merge sort, trim sort, they took n log n time in average cases and worst cases. Selection sort, bubble sort, insertion sort, and bucket sort takes n square time in worst case. Our bucket sort takes big O of n plus k times in best cases and average cases. Radix sort takes nk times in all cases. Shell short takes n log square log power 2, okay, log square time in average and also worst case. Our selection sort takes big O of n square time in all cases. Bubble sort, insertion sort, team sort and cell sort take big O of n times in best cases. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like my video, share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.